It's a local skincare brand specifically formulated for lactating and pregnant moms. Alam nyo ba yun? Hindi ko alam yun, guys. Hindi na siya bago, and I'm so happy that they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their products. It's none other than skin dough. Kapag ginamit daw yung products nila, magiging soft as dough yung skin. Tapos since for lactating and pregnant moms sila, very simple yung skincare. It's uncomplicated. Perfect naman talaga sa mga nanay na katulad ko, di ba? Na wala talagang time kasi aligaga sa mga anak. This is just an overview video. I'm gonna show you what they have. First, we have the body lotion. Meron din siyang SPF 15. For the face naman, merong facial wash. They have a serum. And then yung moisturizer nila boasts of bakuchiol na makukuha nyo yung benefits same as retinol pero hindi siya irritating. And perfect din for pregnant and lactating moms. They also have a body soap. And I've noticed that the common ingredients of their skincare are snail mucin and niacinamide. Mas kikilatisin natin yan ha kapag nag-post na ako ng review. What I'm most excited about are their sunscreens kasi meron daw tong Benjamin Button effect. It's such a bold claim ha. If you're not familiar with Benjamin Button, siya yung fictional character who ages backwards dun sa movie. And ito daw, pag mas matagal mo ng suot, pabata ng pabata yung itsura mo. Exciting, right? What I love is that meron din siyang invisible option and then 2 tinted sunscreens. Yung isa light, yung isa medium. Actually, try natin itong medium ngayon. To be honest, wala pa akong tinted sunscreen na na-recommend kasi nga hindi sila magamit as sunscreen. Nagmumukha akong espasol. Nagmumukhang super makapal siya on my face but try natin siya today. Walang cut-cut guys para makita lang natin how it blends and how it will look on my face. This is the shade medium. If I may say, parang meron siyang pagka-minty na amoy. So that's one layer. And then let's do another layer, guys. Para lang makita natin kung pwede siyang gamitin on its own. Na dapat naman talaga pag sinabi mong tinted sunscreens, magagamit mo siya primarily as a sunscreen. Without. Wait lang, muntik ko nang makalimutan. This is called the Energy Beauty Bar. What's this? Is it also soap? Ah, no! It's a gold massage stick. Feeling ko gagamitin ko to with a serum. Look at that. Very pretty. Pang chisel daw ng aking jawline kasi medyo lumulusog na tayo. Excited to try this one as well. Thank you so much, Skin Dough, for sending your products over. I'm gonna pick 1 or 2 products lang ha. Use them consistently for 2 weeks and babalikan ko kayo with a review. Okay, pregnant and lactating moms, check this brand out. This brand was created specially for you. That's it for now. See you later.